Bringing to your view real-time news updates from NaijaNews TV. Former Nigerian Minister of External Affairs, Professor Akinyemi, says Britain's Conservative Party and Nigeria-raised Kemi Badenoch will soon learn a lesson that you don't throw your people and culture under the bus. Professor Akinyemi, a former Director General of the Nigerian Institute of International Affairs, NIIA, said Badenoch was making a mistake denigrating Nigeria on the global stage to advance her political career. The foremost professor of political science, who was a guest on Channels Television's Politics Today program on Monday, said the UK Conservative Party leader should leave Nigeria alone and focus on strengthening a party in Britain. She would soon learn that you don't throw your people and culture under the bus to advance your career. She's making a mistake, but would soon learn. Recall that NaijaNews reported in December 2024, Nigeria's Vice President Kashim criticized Badenoch for disparaging Nigeria, saying she's entitled to her own opinions and has the right to remove the Kemi from her name. In 2022, Badenoch, a UK Member of Parliament of Nigerian descent and then UK Prime Minister Oprah, accused Nigerian politicians of using public funds for their private matters. After her election as UK Conservative Party leader in November 2024, the chairman of the Nigerians in Diaspora Commission, NIDCOM, Abike Dabiri Erewa, said our office reached out to Badenoch but received no response. We'll continue to monitor the story for more news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.